Children, here now we will see exercise 1.4. Evaluate each of the following. First one is minus 30 divided by 10. This is A1. Here you can see division symbol is there. Okay, how can we write this? Minus 30 by 10. Minus 30 by 10. Here 10 is positive number and 30 is negative number. That is, both are integers only, but symbols I am mentioning. So here 30 by 10. Here directly you can do the cancellation, or if you want you can do separately the division. So 10 ones are, 10 threes are. The answer is minus 3. Okay, clear children? The next one. Shall I do the G1? See here, minus 31 divided by minus 30 minus 30 plus of minus 1. Okay, so how to do this one? So minus 31 divided by, first solve this whatever it is there in the bracket. Here it is minus 30 and here it is plus of minus 1. So I taught you already in addition and multiplication what to do. Here symbols are multiplying. So bracket inside one symbol is there and bracket outside another symbol is there. So symbols you have to multiply. Plus into minus. So here it is minus 30. Plus into minus, it is minus 1. Okay, in the next step, minus 31 divided by minus 30 minus 1. Now, minus and minus, it's not multiplication children. Minus and minus in addition, what we should write? Minus and minus means, we should do addition. Yes, minus and minus means addition. Minus 30 minus 1. Minus 31 because symbol big number is 30, so that big number is having minus symbol, so I am writing minus here. I explained you, just go through that video and just check it children once again. So minus 31 divided by minus 31, what is the answer? 1. Clear? So look at the textbook. First one I have done and it is 7th one. The remaining as homework you should do it. Okay, try to practice it. So shall we problem? A divided by B, verify that first we should see LHS is not equal to RHS for each of the following values of A, B and C. So what is there in LHS? A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay, these two should not be equal. Here it is LHS left hand side and this is RHS right hand side. Okay, now see the values. First one, A value is 12, B value minus 4, C value 2. So how to do this one? Substitute the values A, B and C in this. So what is A here? 12 divided by B plus C. What is B plus C? Put the bracket as usual. 4 plus 2, that is minus 4. Observe the symbols properly. Minus 4 plus 2. It should not be equal. So not equal to A minus B. A minus B means 12 minus. What is B value? 12 minus means A minus, sorry, this is divided by. Okay. A divided by means 12 divided by B. What is B here? Minus 4. So for the difference I am writing the bracket like this. Plus A divided by C. What is A value? 12. 12 divided by C value is 2. Okay. Now 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Here minus and plus. Subtraction we should do. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 4 is the big number and 4 is having minus symbol. So it will be minus 2. And not equal to 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 means fourth table where you will get 12 children. 4 3s are 12. So it is 3 and here it is minus symbol. Here it is, you should not say that 12 is big number means 12 is having positive plus number. No, it is division and multiplication. You should see the symbols and multiply it. Minus and minus into plus, minus only. Here, okay. Put the bracket and another one. 12 divided by 2. Where you will get 12 in 2 table? 2 6. Okay. Now 12 divided by minus 2. Where you will get 12? 6. Minus 6 is not equal to minus 3 plus 6. What is the answer? Minus and plus. What you should do? Minus and plus. Subtraction. So it is 6 minus 3. 3 only. And 6 is the big number. It should be positive. So see here. Left hand side you got minus 6 and right hand side you got 3. So both are not equal. So what they have given is exactly right. It is no, both are not equal. So we verified one problem. So one more problem is there that you should do, children. Okay. Try once. And fill in the blanks. Just you check. Now fill in the blanks. The first one. 369 divided by dash is equal to 369. So when you will get the same number, as answer, so see here 369 is there. When you will get 369 here, children, when you will get, when you multiply, when you are dividing with 1, 1 3s are 3 and take down 6, 1 6 are 6 and the next number 9, 1 9s are 9. Okay. So when you are dividing with 1, the number will be the same. So what is the answer here? 1. The second one. Minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So when you will get 1 as answer, so when you are dividing the same number, the answer will be 75 divided by 75 is 1, but the symbol is minus. So already minus is there. So again you should not write minus. If you write minus here, minus into minus it will become plus. But the answer is minus 1. So to get minus, you should write positive number, that is 75. Okay, look at the textbook. The next one, minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1. So what will be the answer there? What is the answer? Minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1. So when you will get 1 as answer, same way, same number it should be, but here it is positive, here it is negative number. So what you should do to get the positive number? Minus, with which symbol you should multiply to get positive? Minus into minus. Clear? Minus 206 divided by minus 206, you will get 1 as answer. Okay. Shall we go to fourth main? Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b. A divided b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 comma minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Okay, see here the next one. Write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. So we should get minus 3 only as answer. Okay. So the first one is 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Why? The such pair is giving the answer as minus 3. So they have given these two numbers. So we'll try it first. Minus 6 divided by 2. First one. What answer you will get? Where you will get 6 in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. Answer is 3. But here you should see that 2 is positive number, 6 is negative number. Minus into plus, it will become minus. So you got the answer. So this is one pair. Minus 6 and 2. So another pair they only given here. Just check 6 and minus 2. 6 divided by 2. Sorry. 6 divided by minus 2. So here it is minus 3. Like that the third one. Minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to. So 1 where you will get, in one table where you will get 3. 1 3s are 3 and the symbol is minus. Minus into plus, here it is minus. And the pair is minus 3 comma 1. The fourth one is minus 9 divided by 3. In 3 table where you will get 9, 3 3s are 9. So the pair is minus 9 comma 3. And the fifth one they have asked you only 5 pairs. These already they have given. So one more extra we will write. Okay. Minus 12 divided by 4. Where you will get 12 in fourth table? 4 3s are 12. So minus symbol minus. So the pair is minus 12 comma 4. And the another one, because already this they are given in the textbook only. So extra one I am writing here. One more, what we will get, children? One more. Minus 15 divided by 5. Minus 15 divided by 5. 5, where you will get 15 in 5 table? 5 3s are 15. And the answer is negative here. So the combination minus 15 comma 5. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. And minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. So here you have to see that first one, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So first one is Radhika scored 20 marks. Scored marks 20 marks. And if she got 12 correct answers, so correct answers 12. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So here correct one is 12. So what are the marks for that? For correct plus 3 marks. Okay. For incorrect minus 2 marks. So here she got 12 correct answers. So 12 means 12 into plus 3. 12 3s are 36 marks she should score. Correct? But here Radhika scored only 20 marks. Only 20 marks. But she attempted and she got correct one 12. And what about the remaining marks? See here it is only 36. But here it is 20. So where are the remaining marks? So incorrect one we have to find out. So subtract these two. That is correct one, correct marks minus scored marks. Here you can see correct marks, it is corrected one, it is 36 marks and scored one only 20. The remaining marks, it is 16. 16 marks she lost. 16 marks she lost. So what about the questions? How many incorrect questions she has written means divide this 16 with 2 here. 16 divided by 2. So you will get 8 incorrect answers. Understood, children? Radhika scored 20 marks and the correct, she has written the correct answers 12. Okay, for 12 questions she should get 36 marks because each correct one will get extra 3 marks. So the total marks should be 36. But she scored only 20. So what about the remaining marks? Means 36 minus 20, you will get 16 marks she lost. So where she lost this 16 marks means, so you have to check the incorrect answers. The incorrect answers, so divide with 16, divide this 16 with 2, so you'll get 8. That in 8 incorrect answers. So for each 8, in 8 questions, for each question carries minus 2 marks. Check it, okay? This is verification what I am doing here. Verification, 8 questions and 8 questions each one carries 2 marks, minus 2 incorrect answers. The answer is minus 16. Is it clear? Okay, what she lost the marks? 16 marks, and these 16 marks are in incorrect answers. Understood? 8 incorrect answers she attempted and 12 correct answers she attempted, and totally she got exactly the 20 marks. Clear, children?